Hi guys, good morning. Welcome back to Teslang Gala. Pasensya na, ngayon lang ulit tayo nakapag-video dahil masyadong busy sa work at dun sa binibuild naming business. Ngayon, ang gagawin natin, punta tayo ng Pampanga. Andito na tayo actually sa EDSA. Umalis tayo ng Bulacan ng 100%. Ngayon, dito tayo sa may EDSA Muñoz. We're currently at 95%. May dadaanan lang tayo dito sa may likod ng SM North, si Estoy. Daanan natin yung family niya para kasama natin siya sa ocular visit natin. Isa sa mga kilalang private resort dito sa Pampanga. So, sabi ni Tesla, 56% pa daw pagbalik namin ng Bulacan. So from Bulacan to SM North, then SM North to Pampanga, and then Pampanga to SM North kasi atid natin sila, then SM North to Bulacan, to San Jose del Monte. Check natin kung gaano ka-accurate yung 56% since this will be the first time na gagawin namin tong ruta na to. Okay? So yeah, see you on the road guys. Hi guys, welcome back. So we're already here at Pampanga. Current state of charge is 77%. Hindi ko maalala kung 74 ba or something yung kanina na estimated niya once we reach Lubao, Pampanga. So walang tao. Hindi ko alam kung bakit walang tao dito sa ocular namin. Yeah, based on our research, this is one of the best staycation here in Pampanga. So ayan siya. Kaya lang walang tao, tinatawagan pa namin yung may-ari, hindi pa sumasagot. So ayun guys, that's our update. After nito babalik tayo ng SM North, and then I don't know if pupunta kami ng BGC kasi actually itong kaibigan ko they want to check Model Y and YL. So siguro dadaan kami ng BGC. If not, diretso na kami ng SM North. So then we will go straight from there sa Bulacan na. Okay? Update namin kayo. So walang charge yan. I mean, hindi kami nag-charge while we were on our trip. So yun, check, i-update namin kayo later, okay? Hi guys, so dito na tayo ngayon sa Casa Marindiana. Let's check kung ano yung loob. Tignan natin. Pakita ko sa inyo. Hi guys, welcome back. Sorry, masyadong busy. Daming kausap. Andito na tayo ngayon. Nakabalik na tayo sa SM North. Ang estimated kanina na state of charge is 50 something. 56. So medyo humataw kami sa index, kaya ngayon as you can see, pagdating ng bahay sa Bulacan 49%. So which is not bad, 'di ba? Di pa rin masama. Nakatipid ka pa rin kasi ang chinarge ko is 600 pesos yung worth ng charge ko kagabi from 32%. So meaning to say 600 pesos, less than 600 pesos yung nagastos namin ngayon from Bulacan to SM North, SM North to Pampanga, and then Pampanga to SM North, and then SM North to Bulacan. 600 pesos, 'di ba? Which is not bad. So talagang tipid when it comes to EV. Hindi kami nag-charge. Ang nangyari lang is diretso lang yung takbo namin from Bulacan, since full charge naman galing ng bahay. So yun lang guys, dito na namin tatapusin yung video. Let's see kung saan pa kami makakapunta. Medyo busy kasi kami ngayon. Hindi namin masikaso kung saan kami pupunta. Pero we are planning to go to Baguio. It's Baguio and Pagudpud. We will let you know guys kung saan, maybe in the next video, okay? By the way guys, thank you so much for watching. You can go ahead and like, share, and subscribe our YouTube channel if you want to learn more regarding on our charging stations, how far it can go. You can definitely check it in our channel, okay? Thank you guys. See you in the next video. Bye.